In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Drive uploading smoothly and efficiently. With these easy steps, you'll ensure that your uploads continue without a hitch. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. A reliable and steady connection is the backbone of smooth uploads to Google Drive. Try running a speed test or resetting your router if you're experiencing frequent disconnections. Sometimes simply moving closer to the Wi-Fi source can make a difference. If possible, connect directly to the router with an Ethernet cable for the most stable connection. Next, it's time to clear your cache and data. Sometimes old data piled up in your browser can cause unexpected issues. Here's what you need to do. Open your browser and click on the three dots menu located at the upper right corner of the window. This menu allows you to access various settings and features. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page with a range of customizable settings for your browser. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. This section is crucial for managing your data and ensuring your browser runs smoothly. Click on Delete Browsing Data. When prompted, make sure to select All Time in the Time Range option. This ensures that you're clearing everything, not just data from the past hour or day. Once set, click on Delete Data to proceed. This should give your browser a much needed refresh, freeing up space and helping improve its overall performance. If you're still encountering issues, a simple restart of your computer might do the trick. Restarting is a great way to resolve connectivity problems and refresh applications, potentially clearing minor software glitches. Now, let's explore another solution, logging out and then back into your Google account. This process can help reset your session and resolve any sign-in related issues that might interfere with uploads. Log out of your account and then sign back in, making sure your credentials are entered correctly. Finally, if none of these steps seem to work, reaching out to Google support should be your next step. They're equipped to handle more complex issues and can offer tailored solutions to fit your specific situation. Remember, reaching out for professional assistance is always a good option when troubleshooting doesn't do the job. And there you have it. Each of these steps can help ensure that your Google Drive uploads continue seamlessly. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.